What's up, Kavari crew? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're gonna be doing a what I eat in a day slash vlog, I guess. So I got up about an hour and a half ago. So I had the party planners for my LA baby shower come this morning, and we like planned it out. We picked our color scheme and I told them like everything I wanted. So I'm so excited. We're finally starting to plan my LA baby shower. We're planning on having it in 3 weeks. So it's like right around the corner. I'm so excited because it's like the first event I'm like throwing in LA. So I'm really excited for this one. And oh my gosh, there's like something in my eye. You guys know when there's like something in your eye and like your vision just gets blurry all of a sudden? Like that's like what's happening to me. So if you're new to my channel, hello, welcome. I'd love for you to hit that subscribe button down below, and also make sure you guys turn on your post notifications so you never miss out on an upload from me. And also be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. It will definitely help me out. And also if you're new here, I'm pregnant. I'm 31 weeks pregnant. So I just hit 31 weeks this morning. I turn a new week every Sunday. I'm so freaking excited. We're getting so close to the finish line, guys. This is what my belly's looking like. A little bump update. But yeah, we are 31 weeks pregnant. So this is like a pregnant what I eat in a day. So on the topic of pregnancy, the first thing I take when I wake up in the morning is my prenatal vitamin. We all know this is essential when you're pregnant, and the one that I take is the Ritual Essential Prenatal. I've been taking this for a few weeks now, and when you're pregnant, this is the most important time in your life to not only be taking the right nutrients, but also be getting enough of the right nutrients. So that is why I love this prenatal from Ritual so much. It makes it so easy. Literally, you take 2 easy to take tablets every day, and it provides you and your baby with all the nutrients that you need, including omega-3s and D3s and just essential vitamins for your baby. So I take 2 of these every day. And I also love about Ritual is that it comes straight to your door. So it's a monthly subscription, so you never have to worry about running out of your vitamins. And it just makes everything so simple for you, especially with pregnancy brain. Bro, pregnancy brain is so real. I forget everything. Like my mind, it's just horrible how forgetful I can be. So just one last thing that I have to worry about. These do not give you nausea at all, guys. When I first got pregnant and I started taking prenatals, some of them make you feel so sick and queasy. And at the beginning of your pregnancy, when you're already nauseous, it's just like the icing on the cake. You do not need your prenatal making you more nauseous than you already are. The best time to actually start taking a prenatal is actually 3 months before you get pregnant. Obviously, I wasn't doing that because my pregnancy was unexpected. But if you're someone who's actually planning on getting pregnant and trying to get pregnant, definitely start taking your prenatal then. It's definitely the best time. So I'm gonna start with my morning with my prenatal. I've already had a ton of water today, but I'm gonna have some water too. The Ritual Prenatal is also vegan friendly, allergen free, non-GMO, sugar free. These are just really great prenatals to take. And I also kept the pamphlet so I can show you guys, but it has all of the essential nutrients listed on there for you. It literally says 12 nutrients, no BS, and they don't hide anything from you. It's all transparent. They list everything out for you. So it's really great to know what exactly is going into your body, so you're not just like doing it blindly. If you guys aren't pregnant, they also have just a regular daily vitamin. Yeah, they do have just a regular essential woman's vitamin, and then they have the prenatal as well. So if any of you guys are thinking about getting pregnant or trying or already are pregnant, or you just want to try out the essential women's daily vitamin, you guys can get 10% off your first 3 months of Ritual by using my code. I'll put it on the screen right here, as well as place a link down below for you guys. So make sure you guys check out the description box to check out Ritual. And without further ado, let's get into breakfast. I'm not like crazy hungry. Ever since I got sick, you guys saw in my past 2 videos, I've been really sick. And I've kind of like lost my appetite, to be honest. Like I was so hungry before I got sick, and then I got sick, and now I'm definitely eating a lot smaller of portions. So if you guys feel like I'm not eating enough, trust me guys, it's just like a little phase. It's just because I'm getting over my cold, but I was eating a ton like before I got sick. So I don't know if I'm feeling like a sweet breakfast. I kind of just want like toast with like peanut butter or almond butter and like bananas. You know what I'm talking about? That sounds really good. Maybe avocado toast. Nah, I think I have a sweet tooth this morning. Let's do something. So here's the bread I'm using for my peanut butter toast. This is just the Sara Lee 100% whole wheat bread. I'm just gonna toast up 2 slices. let this toast for a little too long. There we go. Oh my gosh, you guys, those knives that I bought from Bed Bath & Beyond the other day are so amazing and sharp. Like, Mel and I just like chopping stuff up now just to use those knives. Chop up my banana. So this is my favorite peanut butter, the Jif Whips. And I'm sure having like almond butter and stuff is definitely healthier, but I just love the whipped texture of this one. And this is brand new, I just bought it the other day. Like, oh, look at that peanut butter. I love, love, love this one, oh my gosh. I went through a phase where I was like obsessed with peanut butter and jellies. I'm gonna give the rest of these bananas to the dogs real quick and I'll be right back. Mommy has bananas for you. I'm gonna add a drizzle of organic honey from Trader Joe's. And then topping it off with ground cinnamon. So here is, ooh, the honey's dripping, but here is my breakfast, just the toast with the peanut butter and banana. And then I'm also having a clementine too with it, and I'm just gonna have a glass of almond milk with it. Okay, so on this day you guys are watching this video, Mel actually made us lunch, but I didn't just want to include that clip because I wanted to show like a full recipe in this video. So that's also why my nails aren't white, they're a different color for this video. So I'm gonna be marinating chicken, and this chicken you can just like throw onto any salad. So it's gonna be a very, very basic marinade. I'm gonna go in with olive oil. I'm gonna use some white wine vinegar. I usually just use regular vinegar, but this one I had on hand, so I think this will add a good flavor. Pepper, salt, this 21 seasoning salute from Trader Joe's. I'm gonna add a little bit of crushed garlic and then also some lemon juice as well. And this is just a pound of boneless, skinless chicken breast that I cubed up. So here's what the chicken should look like once you added all your seasonings and stuff. I haven't mixed it together yet, but I used half a lemon, and I also used 2 capfuls of the vinegar if you guys want measurements. But again, I don't measure, I literally just sprinkle as I go. And then I added 2 cloves of garlic as well. I'm just gonna mix that together, and I'm just gonna let that sit in the fridge. You can let it sit for as long as you want, like overnight is ideal, but I'm just gonna let it sit probably for a few hours before I cook it up. So I just covered that up, and I'm gonna put that in the fridge for like about 2 hours. So I found this balsamic glaze at Trader Joe's. So I thought it'd be fun to do like a little caprese salad, but I don't, ooh, the tab just fell. But I don't have basil. Obviously you would put basil in a traditional one, but I don't have any. We're just gonna do mozzarella and tomatoes. Drizzle the balsamic on top. Oh my gosh, that looks so good. Babe, I'm filming. Help! Rory Crew, help!
Love you.
Love you too. I'm also gonna add a little bit of salt and pepper. So here is the finished product. Look how good my chicken looks. Why are you like looking at me?
You look cute.
Thank you. But I snapped. All we need is some basil and we would have really snapped. Okay guys, for dinner we are going out to eat with Justice and Kayla, you guys can say hi. Say what's up. We are taking them out to dinner since they're newly engaged.
Hey my hair's so wet.
You guys probably saw their engagement video on YouTube. If you guys haven't already, I'll link their channel down below. Everybody go congratulate the happy couple.
Thank you.
Finally, we have some married friends.
Yeah, I was about to say we're a big gang right now.
Yeah.
It's a
married
blessing,
crew.
bro. This house, you guys, oh my god.
It is PHAT, let me tell you.
Have you guys done
What did she about?
Have you guys done a furnished tour?
No, not yet. That's gonna take me like a year to furnish this place, honestly. I have a lot I need to do.
Man, this is crazy. It's so beautiful. Like
Thank you. They're
I
first
can't stop
friends
saying
in our
it.
new house, by the way, guys.
Oh my goodness.
First visitors.
Thank you so much for having us.
This is
What?
crazy.
You like tapped my ass, so I thought he needed something. It's being annoying. Okay, guys, let's go. Here is my outfit. I'm just wearing a black turtleneck. I'm wearing my ponytail extension from insert name here. And I do have a code, I believe. If I do, I'll link it down below for you guys. Yeah, just a black turtleneck, my maternity jeans, and these boots are from Miss Guided. I should wear something warmer than that now.
Do you have this warm?
Huh?
What do you have this warm?
I have like a black trench I could wear. I'm about to pop some champagne.
And you know, celebratory fashion for the married crew.
Woo! Thank you. I'm like ordering something new from Amazon every day. Oh, I didn't show the vlog my new orchid that I got from Trader Joe's. Look how pretty. I know, I'm left out of this one.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Happy marriage. Cheers.
I don't even have anything. Cheers. Guys, we got too hungry waiting for a reservation, so we're eating hummus, pita crackers, raspberries, cheese.
Yeah, we love to eat.
We might not even go now. We might just be here.
You hype, guys, Justice hypes everything up. He's like, these are so good.
No,
I'm like,
I'm
they're
not
like,
lying,
No, it's good.
This
like,
is good. I feel like that's gonna be
This is what I'm getting.
I want to try that pasta.
They ate all the donuts before I could put it on the vlog. But like we told them they just got engaged, so they put congratulations on it.
You guys really surprised me.
Aww,
I know, we had
enjoy
no
it.
No idea.
That's why you guys wanted us to get dessert.